This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a Google Slides presentation to a PowerPoint presentation. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. I have this Google Slides presentation, Bootstrapping Experience 2023. I want to convert it to a PowerPoint pptx file. Very easy. Go to File, Download, and then select Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. You'll be prompted to save it. So I'm going to just save it to my Downloads folder. I always recommend checking the results in PowerPoint, and the reason is sometimes the fonts in the designs and other elements don't translate one-to-one from Google Slides to PowerPoint. So to give you an example, all right, let's look at the second slide. If I click on it in here, the font looks a little bit different. Source Code Pro, I don't know what it is right here, but you can see that, oh, actually it is the same one. But I found that sometimes things don't always quite match up, or if there's an element on the page on Google Slides and it looks okay, if you look at it in PowerPoint, something doesn't look quite right, you might have to do a little bit of tweaking to make sure that it looks right. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you'll find my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, now in its third edition. It covers slides, sheets, docs, forms, sites, drawings, all these Google apps that are very important to be using if you're using the Google application suite. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.